Hello friends, this is Andiban here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous tutorial, we have learned the basic concepts and operations with Python lists. So today in this tutorial, we are going to learn various list methods and operations we can do with a list in details. So without any further ado, let's get started. Python offers a number of list methods that we can perform with a list. These are: number 1, sort. The sort is a built-in list method in Python that sorts the list items in ascending order. So let's see an example. Suppose I have a list of numbers like this: numbers equals, inside square brackets, 22, 4, 6, 1, 100, 5, 4, 11. So we can sort the items of the list by this way: numbers dot sort. Now if I print the list, print numbers, you can see it sorts the list in ascending order. However, you can change the order from ascending to descending, specifying an attribute value to the sort method named reverse to true. Like this: numbers dot sort, and inside bracket reverse equals true. And now if I print the list, print numbers, you can see now the list has been sorted in a descending order. Okay, so number 2, append. Using this method, we can add a single element at the end of a list. So if I have a list like this: days equals Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Now if I want to add another day at the end of the list of days, I can add it using the append method, specifying the day name as a parameter to the method, like this: days dot append, and inside brackets Wednesday. So now if I print the list of days, print days, we can see the Wednesday is appended to the list. One thing to observe: using of the append method will increase the length of the list by 1. Next, number 3, extend. Using this method, we can add multiple items to the end of a list. We have to give the values that we want to add as a list to the method. Let's see an example. We know that our list of days contains the values Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, as we have seen in the previous example. Now, if I want to add the remaining 3 days, that is Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, without running the append method for each values, we can do it at once by using the extend method. So days dot extend, and inside the brackets I am going to pass a list of Thursday, Friday, Saturday, like this. Notice that I have given the 3 values as a list of 3 elements. So if I print days, you can see now our list of days contains 7 days. Number 4. Index. It returns the index of a specified value in a list. So if I want to see the index of the value Sunday in the days list, I can check it like this: days dot index, and inside the brackets Sunday, and it prints 0 as it is the first element of the list. Now we can cross check it and see if the value at index 0 is Sunday or not, like this: days 0, and it gives the Sunday as expected. Now let's see another example. Nums equals, inside square brackets, 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, 1, 5. Now if I want to check the index of the value 1, print nums dot index of 1, it gives me 0, but I can see there are 2 more ones in the list. So the index method gives us the index of the very first occurrence of the specified value. Okay, next. Number 5. Insert. This operation is used to insert an object into a list at a specified index. So, if I want to insert 10 at index 4 in the nums list, we can do it like this: nums dot insert inside parenthesis 4, 10. So, now if we print the nums array, we can see 10 is present at index 4. So the first parameter of the insert method is the index, and the second parameter is the element that we want to insert. Number 6. Remove. This operation is used to remove a specified object from a list. For example, if I want to remove the value 10 from the nums list, we can do it like this way: nums dot remove, then the value that we want to delete or remove, so 10. Now if we print nums again, print nums, you can see now 10 isn't there in the list. Number 7. Pop. Now this method also removes an element from a list but from a specified index, unlike the remove method which removes a specified element. So we can see 2 is there at index 1 in the list. So now if I write nums.pop inside parenthesis 1 and then print nums, now we can see 2 is not there at index 1. Another interesting thing is that the pop method returns the element it removes. Like if I store the return data in a variable this way, data equals nums.pop inside parenthesis 2, and then print data, so we can see it returns 1, that is the data on index 2. So that was all about the Python list operations. As there are a lot of topics to cover on Python lists, we will continue the remaining part on the next lecture, where I will cover list comprehension techniques and also some of the methods to find maximum or minimum valued element, sum of all the elements, comparison between two lists, and more. So that's all for today. Hope you find this video helpful. If so, give a thumbs up, share the video with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I can create more such helpful contents. Hope to see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.